Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check the metal type and rarity, then make sure your account meets the level requirement. Once done, clear enough inventory space and verify you have the energy or stamina to run raids repeatedly. You should choose the specific raid that drops the metal you want and queue party members or bots if allowed. This first action saves time and prevents wasted attempts. By preparing these items, you avoid retries and maximize metal drop efficiency from the outset. You now run the raid with an optimized team. Apply boosters, pick support characters that increase drop rate or clear speed, and set the formation for consistent wins. Once stable, enable autoplay or speed up to grind efficiently while you focus on other tasks. Make sure to monitor your drop rate and rotate between similar raids if yields decline, because many systems use soft caps. By adjusting tactics mid-session, you maintain high efficiency and reduce time per metal earned. You finish by claiming metals and applying them immediately, whether for upgrades, crafting, or trading, so resources don't sit unused. Once done, convert surplus metals into salvage or exchange currency if the game supports it, which turns extra drops into value. If you hit issues, double-check event windows, raid cooldowns, and server status. Sometimes maintenance or caps prevent drops. If problems persist, restart the client and verify no daily limits remain. This final check secures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.